Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that can make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. You can see that forex assets and volatility assets can be traded on multiplier markets. This is the Euro GBP. That was a huge profit on Euro GBP. A stake of $200 produces a profit of $145.53. You can see volatility. That one has a stake of $216 produce over $8,000 plus on multiplier level of 1,000. You see, this is a long-term trade. Okay, actually we have what we call rollover strategy, where you can take $1 to $6,000 trading multipliers. If you really want to change your life, that is a discount running on for 24 hours. It will end today. We are running discount to join the multiplier rollover group. Actually, the cost of joining is a one-time fee of $200. But because we are running a promo, a kind of discount of 25%, instead of paying $200, you can actually join with a couple of, if you do the calculation, you're actually joining with $150, because if you do the calculation, that's it. You are joining with $150. It's not that we need your money. No, listen. When Jesus came to the world, it's not that he wants the goods or resources of the world. It's just to help people. Someone will say, why not do it free? Okay, it will never be free, because when you join, you gain the value, you understand what it means, to leverage a little capital and take it to a high level capital. So the money you pay is nothing compared to what we can. We are just doing it to help the community. If I'm to charge people for this program, then nobody will be able to pay, because if you can take $1 to $6,000, then for you to have access, you have to pay a couple of $1,000 or more, because one-time fee, you are not repeating it. So why not join? It's not by force. Somebody will say it's a scam. If someone tells you that you are going to take $1 to 6,000 times and you call it a scam, then why are you always below the same amount of money you should have used to join the group and see for yourself? You blow $200, you blow $1,000, you blow $2,000, and you have not called the broker a scammer. You are not calling someone that wants to put a kind of a new turn in your life. So what it is a kind of maybe negative influences, or a kind of bad emotions that make you to always call everything scam. Change your life today. Come and have a test of the group. It is now down to 25% discount. After 24 hours, I think we have run midpoint of 24 hours. We have only 12 hours left. I'll be uploading this video right now. I'll be live on YouTube. Once you watch it, join today. I might be extending it to extra 24 hours to make it 48 hours because of the late upload of this content. But never you take it for granted. Bye for now.